Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to create this makeup look. It is very simple and easy to create. So without further delay, let's get started. দেখো এই মুহূর্তে আমার স্কিনে কিছু অ্যাপ্লাই করা নেই। লাস্ট আমি আগের দিন রাতে স্কিন কেয়ার করেছিলাম। So first step is to apply moisturizer and today I am going to apply Nivea soft moisturizer. তারপর প্রাইমার হিসেবে আমি Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect মেকআপ প্রাইমারটা ইউজ করছি। It instantly gives a fresh look and blur out the pore nicely. I just love to use this as primer, so highly recommended to you all. Next, I am going to use Mamaearth Glow Serum Foundation in the set 303 Nude Glow. So I am going to blend this foundation with a wet beauty blender. Blending is very essential step in makeup. And I know it's a very time-taking process, but it can create a big difference if we don't blend it properly. And for concealer, today I am going to use this Maybelline concealer in the shade 25 medium. Always pat your finger like this while applying concealer, not drag it, otherwise it can move from the actual position. Next I am going to use Lakme 95 Primer Plus Matte Powder Foundation to set my base. So my base makeup is complete and now I am going to use this Maybelline brow pencil. So first I am going to brush my eyebrows downwards. Then I am going to draw out this upper line. Then fill out all the gaps and then brush them in upward direction. I will follow the same for my left eyebrow. Next for Kajal, I will apply plum Kohal Kajal. So at first I am going to apply it as an eyeliner. Again, it does not have to be precise because we are going to smudge it with a brush. And again I am going to take a bit more kajal and apply it very close to my lash line, and then again smudge it with the help of the brush. Don't poke your brush, always do this with a soft hand. I am taking this again because to look it more darker, and then draw the waterline. Then I will apply this kajal in lower lash line, but I will only apply half of the lower eyelash line. পুরোটা করব না, অর্ধেকটাই করব, তারপরে স্মাচ করব, কারণ পুরোটা করলে অনেকটা বেশি কি বলবো ডার্ক দেখায়, সেটা ডার্ক সার্কেলের মতো পরের দিকে হয়ে যায়। তো তার জন্য অর্ধেক করব এবং অর্ধেক করার পর সেটাকে ব্রাশ দিয়ে ভালো করে স্মাচ করে নেব। And then again I will apply it on my lower waterline, and I will extend it in my inner corner just to create an almond shape. সরি, ক্যামেরার অ্যাঙ্গেলটা ঠিক করে ছিল না, কারণ আমি আয়নার সামনে ভালো করে দেখছিলাম, ঠিকমতো এটা দেখানো হয়নি। যাই হোক, এই সেম সমস্ত স্টেপ ফলো করব আমি আমার লেফট আইয়ের জন্য। Next for mascara, I am going to use Maybelline New York Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara, and always apply it as zigzag motion. And for contouring, I am going to take the shade from Swiss Beauty Ultra Blast Palette. I always used to do this step like this, and then I am going to take the pink shade from the same palette and apply it as blush. And for lip liner I am going to use Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner in the shade Maroon 2. And for lipstick I am going to use this Love Earth lipstick, and the shade is Peach Mojito. So my makeup look is complete, and this is my finished look. Hope you will like it, and if you like it then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And follow for more such videos. Tada!